They really collaborate to identify what your credit union needs and what we can do to get that right. We don't go live with something unless we know it's right for our organization. Our goals is really to mature our digital presence. Right now, being 3 years still feels new. I think even though we offer a robust service, there's still other areas that we can channel, and whether it's leveraging our data or just identifying points where we can have a bigger presence, we continue to strive towards just maturing that platform and growing adoption that way. Specifically, I think Alkami does a really good job at partnering with the vendors that we also feel are really strong in the market. Even OrbiPay, before you guys were a partner, we had already been looking at them, and once we saw that they were integrating even further with Alkami, it just made it that much more clear for us that this was a good partnership for us. I think for us, I'll be happy to see our staff not having to worry about the service that we've implemented. When they're like, oh yeah, we already implemented this, and not having to take phone calls or anything like that, to me, that's music to my ears, because that means it's working as intended. It should be seamless. If the services, the software is doing what it needs to do, that frees up the person to have that personal touch and really do what a credit union is supposed to do, whether it's financial, education, or teaching them about their credit. A person doing that is more important than having software get in the way of that experience, where you don't even get to the point where you're having those conversations because you're too busy just figuring out how to get the software to work. I think the best part about being an Alkami client is that, when you come to events like this one, you're meeting with other individuals and other organizations who also prioritize digital banking and understand it as a need. They saw this platform and they wanted to join or are interested in joining. And so being a part of a community that is forward thinking on the digital platform is great to know.